ordered a bunch of sweater dresses from Temu. All of the dresses that I bought are under 20 euros, and most of the time product pictures are way too good and different from what actually shows up. That's why today we are putting these sweater dresses to the test to see if they're a hit or a complete miss. Yes, and well, because I need a sweater dress. So, let's see what I talked myself into buying this time. Alright, so first we have this woman cable sweater dress that I paid almost 12 euros. I have it in crimson, although it comes in a couple of more different colors. Okay, let's see the product pictures. Not too bad, I guess. So, yeah, I'm excited to see what showed up. Whoops, please don't break, I can't afford the new phone. Okay. First impressions are this. It doesn't look like a sweater dress, at least for now. It looks more like a long sweater, just a sweater, but not a sweater dress. And I want to check the color. Okay, is that crimson to you? That's not the crimson color. To me, it's more like a grape color. Yeah, so I don't have big hopes, you know, but I might be wrong. So let's go ahead, put it on and see if it's a hit or a miss. All right, here's the first dress, and it's way too short for me to be called a sweater dress. Look. Oh well, that's how it looks from the front, from the side, and from the back. And I'm not a huge fan how the back looks. I mean, I know I could probably wear this sweater dress with some leggings, but that's not the vision I was going for. I mean, that should be a really nice dress if you're anywhere smaller than I am, but it's just not for me. If I bend, I'm pretty sure it shows more than it should. And I don't think Casper wants to see that. So, whoa. Yeah, and I put the shoes on because I had a vision, but my vision isn't fulfilled. So, yeah, here you go. I am literally sweating in this dress. It's really, really warm. And it's not itchy whatsoever, in case you're wondering. I had to switch the earrings because they kept pulling the threads out of the dress, and that's not cool. If you're smaller than I am, I think that you could wear this sweater dress to some cozy winter coffee date, or even for Christmas Eve dinner. Is this something you could see yourself wearing or not? What do you think, Dex? Is she a hit or a miss? Because I personally think it's a miss, at least for me, and mostly because of the length. It's just that it's not for tall girls, so it is what it is. Okay, so for the next dress, we have this high neck mini sweater A-line dress. Why do I feel the urge to read the whole title? Well, anyway, so this is the second dress. I paid almost 14 euros. Yeah. I have it in apricot, although it comes in baby blue, pink, black, and that's it. Let's check the product pictures. So yeah, it looks really dainty, elegant, feminine, and well, pretty. But let's see what actually showed up. This is the package. And let's unpack it. Oh, okay. Let me observe it, one sec. Okay, with the first dress we had color inaccuracy. And with this dress I feel like we have fabric inaccuracy. I don't know if they have just sharpened the picture. Maybe it's just with me. Every single time I compare the dress to the actual product pictures, I'm like playing a game, you know, where you have to find differences. But that's what actually showed up. That's what we have. And we will deal with it. You know, we'll make the most of it. But yeah, here she is. Now let's go ahead, put it on and see if it's a hit or a miss. Yeah, I'm a little bit more positive about this dress than I was about the first one, but it is also quite short for me, isn't it? Or am I just being paranoid? I don't understand what's happening. Or should I check the measurements better? Like, what is going on? It is quite short. Not extremely, but let's just look past it now. It also might be just a little bit see-through, but again, not extremely to the point where you can't even wear the dress. It is quite soft, it's not itchy. It's also a little bit stretchy, which is good. If I didn't have this dress anything to compare to, I would say that's a really nice dress. Again, I don't want to sound like a negative Nelly, but it's just the length. It's just way too short, isn't it? if I bend, then there's gonna be too much coming out from that angle. That did not sound right. So yeah, overall speaking, it is a really nice, girly, feminine, elegant dress, and I do envision myself wearing it for holiday parties, winter birthdays, or even for ice skating dates. It is really, really cute. It's just the length that bothers me. So I don't know what to do. What do we think? Is it a hit or a miss? Yeah, when it comes to Temu or Shein, I usually don't expect anything much. Because let's be real, you get what you pay, right? But sometimes you can actually find some really good gems. And that's why I'm here. The treasure hunter Justina. Okay. Next. So for the next dress we have this elegant, they are killing me with their product titles, I'm telling you. Elegant fashion dress 2025 autumn winter.
A few minutes later.
Elegant dress, I'll put it this way. I paid almost 16 euros. So not too bad, I guess. I have this dress in dark green, although it comes in a couple of more different colors. Here are the product pictures. So yeah, it does look really, really elegant, feminine, dainty, pretty, you name it. I think that would be a really cute dress for Christmas Eve. So keeping my fingers crossed, it's not a regret. Let's see what showed up. Oh, look at you. Hello. Hug me. Let's be friends. Oh, whoops. First impressions are quite positive. The color does look exact, like in the product picture. That's nice. Even the fabric, the everything looks pretty much the same. So here's a closer look of the material. It shouldn't be see-through. And that's it. I like what I see. If she's gonna look nice on me, that's the dress I might be wearing for the Christmas Eve. Let's go ahead, put it on, and see what it actually looks like. Please look nice on me. May I join the party, mister? I see you made yourself comfortable. So, as you can see, that's more like an elegant dress and look. I definitely don't have any complaints when it comes to length in this dress. It is an appropriate length. The color is perfect. And so here's a closer look. So yeah, it's not see-through whatsoever. It's quite stretchy. So another good thing about the dress, it runs true to size. And I do like the neckline. So yeah, this dress could totally work for winter dinners or formal family gatherings. It's quite elegant, refined, but it also could be versatile. You can dress it up or dress it down. You do you, but I do I, and I think it's not really my cup of tea.
What?
It's just I feel like it makes me look older. These heels, they start to hurt my feet. So what do we think? Is it a hit or a miss?
Definitely looks like a miss.
Ouch! How dare you? No, just kidding. Why?
It's very bleak.
You think?
Yeah. Like it's a nice color, but that's the only thing it's got going for it, I think.
Yeah, I was aiming for an elegant dress that I could wear for Christmas Eve, but it kind of makes me look older, doesn't it?
Yeah, a bit.
I don't know, maybe it's just the style of the dress. But overall speaking, it is a nice quality dress.
Okay.
I'm still looking for a nice, decent sweater dress.
Better feed me.
So just a friendly reminder, drink your water. All right, moving on to the next dress. This next dress is going to be a little bit different. It's a slim fit sleeve dress with contrast color, for which I paid almost 11 euros. It comes in this only one black and white color. And here are the pictures of the dress. It has that preppy kind of vibe in it, doesn't it? Oh, the dress might be a little bit see-through. Why did you notice that only now, Justina? Well, let's see what showed up. The moment of truth. So here's the dress. That's how she looks. Now, let's take a closer look at the fabric. Does look a little bit see-through. And in the product picture, you can see that they didn't hide the fact that it is see-through. It's just, it's on me. I didn't notice that right away. So have to give props for that, Temu. Let's see what 11 euros can get you. This one is giving Wednesday from the Addams Family. Or is that just me? I don't know, I don't know what I don't know what was I thinking or what vision I had in my mind, but it's just not serving. There are more cons than pros about this dress, okay? I'm just gonna keep the things real. First of all, it's see-through. I don't know how much you can see, but it's see-through. Yeah, if it wasn't for the fabric, I think this dress could be wearable for work, Christmas, office Christmas parties, because it does have that preppy kind of vibe. And I do like this white contrast design in the dress. It's cute, but it's just the fabric. I just don't think that this dress looks nice on my body. Maybe on your body it would look better, but on my body it sucks. Excess fabric there and here and just... I don't know, this dress makes me feel depressed. There's nothing to impress. What do we think? Is it a hit or a miss? So the next dress is this elegant long sleeve scoop neck side slit dress. I paid only €8, so I don't have big hopes. I have this in deep red. By the way, it's one of the popular colors. And it comes in a couple of more, including black. And here are the product pictures. So it does look really cute, cozy and comfy. Now, let's see what €8 can get you. Show us your true colors. Oh wow. It's incredibly soft. It's like a scarf. You can wear this dress like a scarf. It's so soft. But since it's not its purpose, the color, perfecto. And so is the fabric. And speaking of the fabric, here's a closer look. So yeah, it might be just a little bit see-through, but hey, it's almost €8, right? Yeah, it's really stretchy, at least feels like that. And once again, incredibly soft. I'm actually really excited to put her on. So yeah, let's go ahead, put it on and see if it's a hit or a miss. Boom! That's the dress. So here's the front, the side, and the back. It's not a bad dress, to be honest. I have this dress in size medium, so yes, it does run true to size, which is nice. Although I don't think I could have been wrong if I would have sized down, because the fabric is quite stretchy. So that's another good thing about the dress. Yeah, you know what? Just to keep the things real, it feels like my hips gotten a little bit bigger this winter season. I wonder why. And my hips, they don't lie. They don't lie. Yeah, and this is the dress that will definitely accentuate your figure. It might be either a good or a bad thing. When it comes to fabric, it's really soft, it's quite stretchy, it's not see-through, at least it doesn't seem to be. I feel like this dress could perfectly work for casual winter outings, wine nights, or even Christmas shopping. It's really cozy and comfy. Actually, it is a nice dress. I like it. I would say that's a good deal for what you pay. You might rock this dress. You might slay it. Huh? This is the dress, that's what we have, and what do we think? Is it a hit or a miss? Let us know. I would love to know which dress did you like most and least from this haul, if any. If none, that's totally fine, no offenses taken, because I didn't make the dresses. As always, in case you spotted a dress that you like, I will try to link them all down below. If you enjoy watching videos like this, please give it a like and subscribe. Give us love. We hope to see you in the next video. Bye-bye. I wanna go to pee-pee. I want to pee. I wanna go to pee-pee. Go. Oh, so much here. Go.